Nabna no Sato is one of Mie Prefecture's best-known tourist attractions, with visitors flocking to the gardens all year round. The park has some relaxing outdoor hot spring foot baths free for visitors to enjoy, as well as French, Italian, Chinese and Japanese restaurants and traditional shops set up around the picturesque central lake. There's an observatory, Fuji Island, which takes you 45 meters off the ground and offers a 360-degree view of the park. Entry to Nabna no Sato could be perceived as being a little expensive at 1,500 yen per person and 2,000 yen during the popular winter months. However, the entry fee includes 1,000 yen worth of vouchers which can be used at the restaurants and most of the other facilities, effectively lowering admission by 1,000 yen. Imagine this, one of Japan's finest and most famed winter illuminations with over 5.8 million LEDs, lighting up the darkness of a chilly winter night, creating romantic images of mountains, oceans, flowers, shapes and figures among immense flower gardens, along with open-air hot spring foot baths and spas, fine restaurants and shops. That's the scene at Nabna no Sato, a family-oriented theme park abundant in facilities and beauty located in Kuwana City, next to Nagoya. The dazzling display happens every winter. Regular illuminated attractions include the walk-through Tunnel of Light, very popular with romantically linked couples, the Cloud of Lights, and every year one of the major flower garden areas is transferred into a fairyland-like dazzling display. Previous themes include nature, waterfalls, aurora, and flowers. Winter visitors will want to rug up well, as Nagashima can become very cold, with the occasional snowfall not out of the ordinary. In fact, snowfall could well be a welcome bonus, as the light-reflecting speckles of snow would accentuate the beauty of the park. On a chilly winter's night, it won't be the cold that gives you goosebumps, but the amazing illuminated spectacle before you. With the flick of a switch, the night becomes an oasis of light. Despite the fine facilities which include a large onsen with views of the flowers and light shows remain the main draw. The grounds are divided into various sections dedicated to many different flowers and trees. The Begonia Garden alone boasts over 12,000 varieties of flowers in bloom year-round. The giant greenhouse features potted blooms of the Anse Flower Garden and Begonia Garden, while the traditional Japanese garden is another popular spot. Weekends, popular with young couples, old couples and families, can get particularly crowded, so weekday visits are recommended. Spring provides admirers of flowers with cherry blossom and spring flowers, and a walk around the 8,000 square meters of gardens helps to shake off the remaining winter blues. Summer draws visitors for the hydrangea displays in particular, and also tulips and dahlias. Naturally, the beer garden and beer hall have their fair share of fans too, with a special local brew, Nagashima Beer Garden, on sale among others. At the end of the warmer months, the scenery changes yet again as the surrounding trees take on the hues of autumn while late-blooming flowers add to the warm-hued landscape. The Nabna no Sato Flower Park is an impressive sight in all 4 seasons. Winter is particularly amazing because of the brilliant light installations throughout the whole village. Illuminations in winter from mid-October to early May draw huge crowds to the park. In spring, Japanese plums and cherry blossoms bloom, and you can see tulips and nemophila in the flower area. In addition, seasonal flowers bloom in summer and autumn, and illuminations can be seen in winter, making this village beautiful all year round. The indoor Begonia Garden has a plethora of colorful flowers plus a cozy cafe inside, where you can take a break amid the vivid surroundings. The Rose Garden is also open in spring and autumn. For a sweeping view, visit the observatory. Seating and snacks are available here. A more unusual experience is available at Island Fuji, an observation deck that rises to a height of 45 meters. Here, for an additional fee, you can experience a genuinely panoramic vista. The shining star of the annual lineup, however, is the electric effervescence of one of Japan's largest winter illuminations. From far and wide, people come to stroll through the 200-meter-long tunnel of light and emerge into the cloud sea of light, a glittering ocean of LEDs that suffuse the whole of the garden. Afterwards, follow the path of lights reflected over streams of water in Hikari no Taiga, Great River of Light, before finally reaching the main attraction, the immense, immersive, otherworldly panorama of illuminations. As the park is dotted with many illuminations, they can be viewed up close, from the park cafe, or from Island Fuji, the giant rotating observatory that rises 45 meters above the ground. A Japanese saying, Han wo soeru, or add a flower, means to add beauty to something already beautiful. Whatever your pleasure or taste, you are sure to find oodles of added beauty here at Nabuna no Sato, where beauty upon beauty is added in layers of sensory delight for an overwhelmingly pleasurable experience. In the spacious premises, Nabuna no Sato has a lot of attractions. In order to avoid the peak time and see the popular illuminations, it is recommended to visit the park after 7 p.m.